high above the world, where cold winds whisper secrets.
Two golden eyes, sharper than steel. One glance, and nothing escapes. Hours pass, winds change, but he does not move. Patience is his weapon.
A tiny heartbeat far below. He sees it. Target locked.
No mercy. No mistakes. The hawk kills clean, nature's own hitman. His wings carry stories of battle. Every feather, a warrior's flag. He doesn't fight the wind. He bends it and rides like a ruler. Even the young are born hungry, trained by storms, raised by hunger. He vanishes into the sky, not as a bird, but as a legend, watching us below.